Welcome back. It is time for your microclimate forecast, and we're off to another very, very hot day today to end 2017. We could be setting some records today, but it's cold this morning. 24 in Solvang, 31 in Paso Robles, 42 in Santa Maria, and 41 in San Luis Obispo. And that's when we get these wide swings of 50 degrees almost compared from the high to the low. Because the air is dry and it's clear, so it gets much colder at night and then much warmer during the day. So we will see a pretty big swing in terms of temperature today for much of the area. And looks like current winds, okay. We have a 10-mile-per-hour wind still at Vandenberg, 5 in Santa Maria. The rest of the area pretty calm. So wind will be breezy. We're going to see some gusty winds for those wind-prone locations like over the Cuesta Grade, below some of the passes and canyons. But overall, the wind will be fairly light and stay less than advisory levels. But for some of those wind-prone locations, it's going to feel pretty breezy out there, especially this morning and then again later on this afternoon. Satellite radar picture showing some clouds moving through the northern portion of our viewing area, so North San Luis Obispo County down into San Luis Obispo County interior valleys. We are looking at our microclimate forecast, though, keeping the main part of the clouds all the way offshore and away from our area until we get closer to Saturday night, overnight Saturday night into Sunday morning. Then the clouds filter in, and we'll see partly to mostly cloudy skies for much of the day on Sunday and continuing all the way through midweek next week. That does include that slight chance of rain, especially on Wednesday. Right now it looks like about a 30% chance of rain. So hopefully we'll get off to a bit of a wetter start to 2018 than we have ended 2017. It's been very, very dry out there. 77 for a high in Paso Robles, Lompoc, and Santa Barbara today, but Santa Maria and San Luis Obispo both topping out more than 80 degrees. We are looking at your extended forecast, including some clouds returning, though, into the weekend. That will drop our temperatures back to much more normal levels. So we'll see 10-plus degrees of cooling for the vast majority of the area. By Tuesday of next week, Paso Robles will be dropping into the mid-60s. San Luis Obispo will be dropping down into the mid to upper 60s as we head toward the middle part of the week. And same for Santa Maria and Santa Barbara. So temperature-wise, we'll be back down to what we would typically see, and then Wednesday brings that slight chance of rain. Hopefully that will hold together.